some of you will ask for a video to find out what it sounds like to have an active sound system on your Touareg. This is a Touareg 2004 2.5 R5, which is a TDI. What I'm going to do is I'll start up the car in normal mode without the active sound. I'll turn the car off, and then I'll start the car with the active sound activated. So I'll just go and do that now. Back in a sec. Yeah, so yeah, that's a lot better sounding than normal standard diesel. They put the active sound system sort of underneath here, and you use your app to control the sound, so you can turn the volume up, turn the volume down, change different cars, that kind of stuff. It's kind of worth it, I think. Makes the car sound a little bit nicer when you're just sort of driving around town. I mean, on the motorway, it doesn't really make much difference, but yeah, no, it's pretty cool. I really like it, and you know, I would encourage others to get it as well.